Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, drug therapy for angina. In drug therapy for angina, first drugs we can ask the person to take oral antiplatelets. Okay, these oral antiplatelets will actually reduce the, like aspirin is an oral antiplatelet, it will reduce the mortality, by around 34%. Then we have drugs like prasugrel and ticagrel can be used. These are P2Y12 platelet receptor antagonists. Okay, then we can use clopidogrel can also be used in the patient. So recently we have seen dual antiplatelet therapy. These dual antiplatelet therapy, these will reduce the um, recurrent MIs. These will have it was shown that the dual antiplatelet therapy reduces the recurrent MI, and it also reduces the cardiovascular death compared to only aspirin. Okay, thus this dual platelet therapy also reduces the risk of stent thrombosis also. It reduces the risk of stent thrombosis also, and thus this dual platelet therapy is actually recommended to all patients at least 12 months following drug eluting stunt after placement of stunt, that too following drug eluting stunt placement. This aspirin with clopidogrel or ticagrel dual platelet therapy is preferred in most of the patients. Okay, then the second drug which can be used, or nitrates can be used in the patients with angina. Then we can also use beta blockers can be given to the patient. Beta blockers, preferred beta blocker is metoprolol. Then we can use intravenous antiplatelet therapy can be used. Intravenous antiplatelet therapy mainly includes usage of GP2B or 3A. GP2B 3A blockers can be used, like we have GP2B 3A blockers like abciximab. Then we have eptifibatide and tirofiban can be used. Similarly, we can also use some anti-coagulants are also indicated, like unfractioned heparin or enoxaparin or fondaparinux or bivalirudin can also be used. We can also use drugs like calcium channel antagonists can be used. In the calcium channel antagonist, especially diltiazem can be used in Prince metal angina. Okay, then we can also use statins are used mainly for dyslipidemia, to counteract dyslipidemia, because angina is mainly caused by atherosclerosis. To counteract that, statins can be given. We have a newer anti-anginal drugs which is used for um, refractory angina, which is ranolazine. Ranolazine is a newer anti-anginal drug used for refractory angina. So whenever there is angina, we can use antiplatelet therapy. Dual antiplatelet therapy is better, and it is recommended for all patients for at least 12 months following drug-eluting stent placement. Nitrates, beta blockers can be given. Antiplatelet therapy and anticoagulants can also be given. Along with that, calcium channel blockers, statins, and ranolazines can be given.
thank you and thank you for watching.